Welcome to Horizon Solutions. In this session, let us discuss various opportunities in clinical research industry. So because of this pandemic situation, everybody are well aware of what is clinical research and what clinical trials, and how much the clinical research or clinical trials are very important in the drug discovery process. For a drug molecule to enter into the market, the clinical research or clinical trials are mandatory. So, the clinical research industry forms the vital bridge between the healthcare, life sciences and pharmaceutical industry, which address never-ending need for development of safe and efficacious medicines, devices, diagnostic products and services designed for people's well-being. So the clinical research industry is one of the most growing industries in the present dynamic market. So the developed nations like United States, Canada and European countries provide the major contribution for the clinical research industry. The emerging markets like India, the clinical research industry is increasing at the rate of 20% per annum. As the industry grows, the job opportunities are also increased simultaneously. So the clinical research industry forms the vital bridge. It acts as a bridge between the healthcare, life sciences and pharmaceutical industry. We need safe and efficacious medicines, so the clinical trials are very important for getting the safe and efficacious medicines in the market. The clinical research industry plays a very vital role in the drug development process. Multinational companies and the clinical research industries and the pharmaceutical companies are investing in clinical trials. So that's why the market is increasing enormously and the job opportunities are also increasing at large scale. So let us see the agenda of the session. So the clinical research market size in India as well as around the globe, and various career prospectus of clinical research industry, and various job positions in clinical research industry, and what is the eligibility for the candidates to enter into the clinical research industry, and let's see various domains in clinical research industry. The clinical trial market size in India is expected to reach 3.15 billion US dollars by 2025. So the projected growth is 8.7% CAGR over the forecast period. So the increasing cost of development is expected to drive the growth of the clinical research industry. So the clinical trial market size is as shown on the screen. It is in 2014 1.24 billion US dollars. In 2015 it is 1.35 billion US dollars, and it is continuously increasing, and the forecast is in 2025 it may reach up to 3.1 billion US dollars. So the market size is valued in 2020 is 2.064 billion US dollars, and this is the growth rate and the predictions of clinical research industry. And now let us see various career prospectus for the clinical research industry in India. So the clinical research industry is an attractive industry for researchers in India because it foresees the tremendous growth and job opportunities not only for the trained medical, pharmaceutical and paramedical professionals, but also for project management staff, regulatory authorities and the society at large. So with the inflow of multinational players in Indian clinical research industry, the industry is poised to grow exponentially and open up new vistas of employment for a large number of people. The clinical trial market share is as shown in the screen. The candidates can bill their careers in different fields of clinical research industry, that is in contract research organizations. The contract research organization where the clinical trials or the BA/BE studies will be conducted. So contract research organizations are the trial sites, and the pharmaceutical industries where the drug molecules are manufactured. The biotechnology companies, the vaccines, monoclonal antibodies, and etc. are manufactured. Medical device companies and patient recruitment organizations and clinical data management companies and organizations and regulatory affairs companies, pharmacovigilance, medical writing, central lab, and clinical SaaS companies. So these are various fields in clinical research industry where the candidates can build their careers. So more or less all are related to the clinical research industry. Candidates from different backgrounds like the life sciences graduates and postgraduate, B Pharmacy and M Pharmacy, Pharma D, and doctors, nurses, medical lab technicians, IT professionals, biostatisticians. So all these professionals are eligible in clinical research industry, and they have very good career prospects, lucrative salaries, work-life balance, etc. etc. Let us see various careers in clinical research industry. The clinical research associate or clinical research coordinator, biostatisticians. For clinical research associate and clinical research coordinator, the basic qualification would be the life sciences graduates and postgraduates, pharma graduates and postgraduates, Pharma D, etc. For biostatisticians, the graduation or post-graduation in biostatistics. For research investigator or physician, the MBBS doctors and PGs. For clinical data manager, the life sciences graduates and postgraduates. Research nurse, the nursing graduates and postgraduates. Pharmacovigilance department, the life sciences graduates and postgraduates, and some doctors sometimes. The quality assurance departments, life sciences graduates, postgraduates are eligible for quality assurance department, and the project managers, the management graduates from a life sciences background are eligible as project managers. The drug safety scientists, the doctors, the life sciences graduates and postgraduates are eligible as drug safety scientists. Regulatory affairs managers, mostly the life sciences graduates and postgraduates and doctors. And laboratory staff, the persons who are qualified in medical lab technicians are eligible as laboratory staff. So what is the eligibility for the clinical research industry? So the career opportunities in clinical research is based on the academic qualifications of the individuals, and some of the career paths in India are outlined. The doctors are appointed in clinical trials as principal investigators, co-investigators, medical advisors, drug developers, regulatory affairs managers, clinical research physicians, etc. Pharmacists, life sciences graduates and postgraduates, they are appointed as site coordinators, clinical research associates, medical writers, clinical research managers, drug development associates, sometimes the biostatisticians, and also in quality assurance department. The management graduates, MBA graduates sometimes enter in the areas of business development, clinical project management, clinical research management, and regulatory affairs management. Nursing graduates, they have the opportunities in research nursing. Sometimes they move into other areas such as clinical trial managers. Apart from all these professions, IT professionals, biostatisticians, engineers, postgraduates in maths and applied maths, operational research, statistics will also have a lot of career opportunities in clinical research industry. Now let us see various domains in clinical research industry. The clinical trials or clinical research, where the clinical trial data is captured by the clinical research associate or clinical research coordinator. The clinical trial site may be the contract research organization or hospital or medical college or research institute or an NGO or any other place where the clinical trials are conducted is called clinical trial site. There, the clinical research associate or clinical research coordinator will capture the clinical trial data. The clinical data management domain will design the entire clinical trial process and design the clinical trial documents so that what type of data has to be captured during the clinical trials, and they will clean the data, they will process the data, they will manage the data. The candidates who are entering into the clinical data management have immense opportunities and lot of job prospectus and very good salaries and work-life balance. Pharmacovigilance domain. This domain deals with the safety issues. The pharmacovigilance domain is there in many MNCs and CROs and many companies. So there are a lot of career opportunities in pharmacovigilance domain as well. The clinical SAS domain is also very important domain in clinical research industry. SAS means statistical analytical softwares or systems. So the clinical SAS programmers will analyze the data and they will program the data submitted to the regulatory authorities for approval. The biostatistics domain, this is also very important domain in clinical research industry, and lucrative salaries and lot of opportunities around the globe are there for biostatistics domain. So the people who has completed biostatistics graduation or post graduation are eligible as biostatisticians. So medical writing domain is also one of the most important domain in clinical research industry. The people from life sciences graduates and postgraduates, pharma, P Pharma, M Pharma are eligible as medical writers. So these are the top CROs. I just included only few, and there are so many companies in India as well as around the globe. Huge number of opportunities in clinical research industry. So the pharma or life sciences graduates who want to fulfill their dreams, looking for very good career, lucrative salaries and work-life balance and global opportunities, they can opt clinical research industry. There are many domains in clinical research industry as we discussed. So there are many companies or MNCs in India and around the globe. So there are many opportunities for the people who are looking into the clinical research industry. So if you like the video, please like it, and if you have any queries or questions, please mention in the comments, and please share with your friends so that may be helpful for them also. And please subscribe to our channel for updates and job opportunities, and please follow our social media pages like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And thank you for watching the video. Have a great day and have a great future.